Okay, so you said you were having a bit of trouble making a presentation for PowerPoint. So let's just go in, make a new slide. New. And then, I don't know, throw in like a little icon. There's a vehicle. I insert it. Change the color. Alright, so I got that. Now I want to go ahead and save it. So I'm going to click on the very top bar and go File, Save. And it saves to my Mac. I can also click and go File, Save As, or Export. And yeah. Then I just export it as a PDF test. Yeah. Alright. So that's it. I'm not sure why it's giving you trouble, but I'm uploading this to YouTube for you.